You asked me a question about keywords. If you're going to do a site on detox, blogs are supposed to answer questions and be the starting point where people research a topic. You get a lot of probably really defined keywords for this particular product you're selling, but I like this one here, simple way to detox. I mean, you can do a listicle, eliminate toxins for improved health. Those are things that would be in a keyword. I would suggest using the simple tool in here. I should start with, why should I detox? That would be my first question to ask if I know nothing about it. Why should I detox? When I hit niche discovery, this is what I got. Here's the markets. You have your own affiliate product, great. I wouldn't rule out selling some of the other stuff from Amazon and related terms. This is why you might detox. Trending questions. What are the benefits? How often can detox help in weight loss? These are great questions. I'm going to go over and open up Keyword Masher, and no one way is the right way. What we're trying to fill the site 30 to 60 posts. That gives you a good start, and then you could put RSS feeds, you can write your own content, you can do other things with it. And you would give it probably 2-3 months of building traffic to it, syndicating the content. You'll start with 30 to 60 posts. Okay, how do you get them? Go to Zimmwriter. I would start here. I would go into Keyword Masher, do AI search, do maybe a big question. Why should I detox? This is going to get you first 10. Okay, these are great questions. Skin health, digestive health. So these are great questions to start with. I'd come down here, delete all, and then I'm going to come up here to the prompt, Zimmwriter ZPT4, keywords, one big question. That's the one I want to start with. So I'm answering the why, and then you can answer the what is detox and how to get detox with your affiliate products. So this is going to be a real good start for you. Here's 10 articles right here that it will create. And as that's working, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to do how to detox. We're pretend like we're journalists. Who, what, when, where, and how. So I'm going to hit create, and I'm just going to add this to the bottom of this. How to cleanse your body naturally. How to detox your liver. How to purge toxins from your skin. See, these are questions that are on people's mind. How to detox your brain. How to detox from caffeine. These are great questions, or great how-tos. So now I'm going to come down here and go Zimmwriter 4, and I'm looking for the how-to. We should have a second page that it's building. Yep. Let's look at the first page and see some of the prompts that we're going to be sending. Is detoxification the secret to slowing down the aging process? Hey, that's a great question. Okay, there's your outline focus to go with it. How can detoxification enhance your health and improve your life? Okay, these are what people would be asking. Look at the prompt itself. Discuss the benefits of detoxification, such as improved energy. So it's just kind of copying from here. Give a detailed explanation about these benefits. And then afterwards, provide a long-form answer that explains the process of detoxification. This is going to make you a great article. Let's get your other 10 in here. Benefits, detox. Okay, now I'm going to hit create keywords. Okay, unleashing the power, detox benefits on optimal health. Okay, these look pretty good. I'm going to come down here, Zimmwriter, and we're going to do a listicle. I'll hit execute. Okay, now let's look at page 2, which were the how-tos. Revitalize your health, a guide to kidney detox. These are good. Unshackling yourself from caffeine dependency. Unleashing your brain's full potential. Okay, these are really good. So they're part of the how-tos. Purifying your body. Really, really good titles here. Okay, so we'll go to page 3 and see what we got. Okay. This is going to make a listicle. Okay, this is great. Unleashing the power, 10 remarkable detox benefits. Okay, this is great. Top 10 hidden secrets, unveiling the deep healing power of detox. I think you're going to have some really good articles in here. Okay, so that's how you set it up. Once you're done, you'll come down here to the bottom. You would go copy to clipboard, all, and then once they're copied, you're going to paste them into your bulk writer. And that's how you get 30 articles right there. I'll see you on another video.